Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to use the voice chat on your Nintendo Switch without the phone. So some of the games on your Nintendo Switch will use the phone app to communicate. So the games that require Nintendo Switch Online, you will go ahead and need this. So like if you're playing Super Smash Brothers, this is a Nintendo Switch first party game. But like most of the free games like Fortnite, I believe Warframe, Fall Guys, Paladins, Rocket League, these free games that you can play without the Nintendo Switch subscription often have their own voice chat communications in the game. And you just have to connect a headset to your Nintendo Switch. So on the dock, there is a small USB port on the back. Just connect the little dongle that comes with it, and you can connect your headset really easy, even if it's like a PS5 or Xbox headset. And then you can load up Fortnite like normal, and it may say like, voice reporting update. Just keep the voice chat on, and then you can communicate like normal, like you normally would if you're playing on a different console or anything like that. So I'm going to skip this intro, and then you should be able to see the voice chat options. You can join a voice chat on your Switch and whatnot. So it makes it really simple. So just check out the first party games. Those will probably use the mobile app. The free ones will probably have their own voice chat in the game. So hopefully this kind of explained things. If this video helped you out, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.